Take a break and join us. Gold Town, the Pahrump Nugget, and Lakeside Casinos.
In this week's court report, the man and woman arrested in Pahrump in connection to an Idaho female's murder investigation both had their extradition hearings slated on the Justice Court calendar this afternoon. After Jeremy White and Dina Aday were detained here in Pahrump, both faced charges connected to the Uniform Extradition Act. White, who was reportedly the boyfriend of the victim, was initially arrested after local police were tipped off that he might be visiting family here in Pahrump. Then Aday, the female passenger who was in White's vehicle, was arrested after being questioned by NCSO detectives. There was a warrant from Idaho Falls, Idaho, for Aday's arrest for being an accessory to a felony crime. White remains in custody with bail set at $600,000 cash only. Aday also remains in custody with her bail set at $200,000 cash only. A California woman charged with attempted murder after her arrest following reports of a stabbing on the 400 block of Comstock Street made her first appearance in court on Monday. Sarah B. Ginsall was advised that probable cause was found in connection to a 44-year-old man found bleeding profusely from several wounds. Ginsall remains in custody with her formal arraignment scheduled on December 6th. Two members of the trio arrested in connection to an armed robbery at the Horizon Market on East Highway 372 also made their first appearance in court Monday. Lucas Marshall Partain and Joseph Thomas Nelson are suspected in connection to the incident. Two masked men reportedly confronted the store clerk there. Surveillance video allegedly identified Partain and a 17-year-old unidentified minor as the two robbers. Nelson is allegedly the third suspect who was reportedly in the store at the time of the robbery, then fled with the two suspects. Partain has unrelated court matters with an underlying suspended jail sentence on the condition that the defendant have no adverse contact with law enforcement. So the court increased Partain's bail to $100,000 cash or $200,000 bond. Nelson's bail is set at $55,640 cash or bond. Both Partain and Nelson remain in custody with their formal arraignment scheduled on December 5th. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.